mistress, panel of judges, accurate timekeeper, my co-debaters, and my ever-listening audience. Good day to you all. My name is Elliot Enahoro, grade 4. I'm here to speak on the topic, should a person that kills be killed? Here are my following points to back up my debates. Crime has gone high in various parts of the world, especially in the recent past. No doubt, the loss of property as well as loss of lives. The results from this crime should not go unpunished. To begin with, it has been argued that the basic human right is the right to life. This shouldn't be deprived, however, the death penalty takes away people's lives. Note that a sin cannot be cleansed by another sin. Other punishments gives room for people to appeal, but the death penalty closes that door, and new evidence will come out, and this will have no weight because the death penalty has been imposed. Furthermore, statistics have shown that death penalty does not help a reduction of crime in the society. Consequently, there are other punishments that can be used instead of death penalty that are more effective to human life, and human life should be protected at all costs. In conclusion, violent crimes are very inhumane and shouldn't thrive in any society. Death penalty shouldn't be an option. It easily gives criminals the chance to repent. Killing is killing if it is done as a punishment or not. I hope I'll be able to convince you and not to confuse you that a person that kills should not be killed. Thank you.